Disto is your AI on-call engineer. Disto can quickly resolve different kinds of urgent issues you may encounter while on call, including problems related to configuration, performance, permissions, package updates breaking other dependencies, language and framework-specific issues, and logic. Let's simulate a high-priority performance issue encountered by the Sourcegraph team. Sourcegraph is an open-source repo used by over 1.8 million developers. The issue was that query times became very slow when fetching user repos. To reproduce, I'm going to simulate a high load on this specific query endpoint. I've added Sentry to my project, and I've connected it to Disto, so every performance issue that Sentry detects, including queries that take longer than 1,000 milliseconds, will be sent to Disto. You can see that a lot of these queries didn't succeed, and a lot of them timed out. When I go to my email, I see that I've just been paged by PagerDuty that there has been a spike in query times that exceed my alert thresholds. Before I had Disto, I would have to create a hotfix by manually increasing the number of vCPUs for the database and conduct root cause analysis afterwards by looking at logs, dashboards, and my other APM tools. With Disto, I don't need to do either of these steps. As soon as I get paged, in just a few minutes, it will analyze my logs and error sources, find the root cause of the problem, and create a pull request. In comparison, it took the Sourcegraph team 2 days to find the root cause of this issue. Let's see this in action. I've gone to Disto, and I'm going to enter the project I've created to track the Sourcegraph repo. Disto has detected the error, created embeddings from the error message and the codebase, identified the relevant portions of the error message and parts of the codebase that need to be changed, and fed this information into its underlying algorithm, built on top of GPT-4. I can see the root cause, the steps to fix, and the pull request that Disto has automatically generated. Let's test this code change and verify that it fixes the latency issue. I'm going to check out this branch with Disto's fix and run my Sourcegraph instance from this branch. This will take a few minutes to get up and running. Now that Sourcegraph is running again, let's make sure that the latency issue is resolved. I'm going to simulate a high load on the specific query endpoint again. Now, most of the requests are succeeding. Before I had Disto, this high priority issue needed a hotfix followed by an analysis of information from dashboards and various APM tools to find the root cause. With Disto, I've been able to restore my query performance to acceptable levels quickly and resolve the root cause of this issue, all in minutes. No lengthy analysis, no sleep lost.